What's going on, guys? Today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to make a Spigot plugin for Minecraft servers. Uh, you all you need to know is just a tiny bit of Java just to get through this tutorial. I'll try to break everything down as much as possible. But before you start coding the actual thing, make sure you have Spigot build tools. You're going to need that to make the Spigot plugin. Next, you're going to need JRE, the Java runtime environment, and then next you're going to need Eclipse IDE. This is where you pretty much code your project. So to create the project, go over here and create a Java project. We're going to name this HelloWorld. This is pretty much what all beginners do for their first project. A simple /hello, and then it will just say hi back. Right click Hello World, go to Properties, go to Java Build Path, and then go to Add External Jars. Here you're going to add the build tools for Spigot that you downloaded. So I'll be getting this, the Spigot 1.14.4. You may got another version, like 1.15, 1.13, whatever. I just have 1.14. So that just gave us the libraries that we can use to make the Spigot plugin. So next, right click the source folder and go to new and create a new Java package. We're gonna name it me.yourname, so I'll just put Lucas here, and then hello world. And then you're gonna right click the package and then make a new class. Okay, so we're gonna name this class main. I always name it main because it's just easier for me. But make sure when you make the class, make sure you extends Java plugin. That would pretty much that's a lot of spaces. That would pretty much extend the Java plugin class, so then we can make the plugin. Next, we'll make two methods. Public void on enable, and then public void on disable. This is pretty much what will happen when the plugin turns on, or when the server turns on, and when this plugin stops, or whenever the server stops. Okay, after this, we are going to click Control and Space. This is where you can find all the methods and stuff. Find the on command, command sender, etc. Once you have that, get rid of this comment in the middle. We do not need that. And then what I like to do is just get rid of the super dot on command and just put false. So public boolean on command, return false. Next, we're gonna check if the command is /hello. You can do hi, it doesn't matter. So to do that, we'll make an if statement. So do if label dot equals ignore case hello. So what this is label. Label is pretty much a string. A string is pretty much you could put like word letters and numbers stuff. And then the dot equals ignore case is pretty much checking if the string equals hello, or it's pretty much checking if the string is hello. And also since it has ignore case, it's just it doesn't matter if someone does a capital in the middle of it. So after we do that, we'll put the squiggly bracket thing. And then next, this is what is going to run inside. This is pretty much what's going to run when you do the command /hello. So first off, we want to check. Let's check if the sender is not instance of player. So what this is doing is checking if the sender is not, because the exclamation point is not in Java. Checking if the sender is not a player. So it could be console. That's all I can think of. So it's gonna run what's in here if the sender is not a player. So what we're gonna do is sender.send message. That's gonna send a message to the sender. So in this case, console, and it won't be a player because it's obviously not a player. So we'll say you need to be a player to run this command. And then make sure you put return true, because that just tells the code that, hey, we're done running. We can just stop now. after this if statement, let's do another one. Let's check if the sender does not have permission. We'll do hello world dot use. So if you're using permissions X or anything like that, um, like luck perms or something, you could put hello world dot use in the permissions. And if they do not have that, it will run this command inside. So we'll do sender dot send message. We'll put a chat color. We'll make it red. Make sure you import the org.bucket, not the net.md. But yeah, we'll send a message that says you do not have permission. And then we'll put return true to tell it that, hey, we're done, stop, we're done. We can stop running this code. So now we can get to the part where if they are a player and they do have permission. So this will just do, so we'll just, let's put the sender in a player variable. So we'll do player p equals player sender. So what this is doing is putting the sender inside of a player variable. You can name this anything you want, like name it player, you can name it pl, p, anything. I just personally use p. So what we're gonna do is p.sendMessage hello. This will pretty much send a message to the sender or the player that says hello. You could just do sender.sendMessage. I just put the sender inside of a player variable just for example purposes. But also you could do this. This is pretty much player.getName. So what this will do is it will send a message that says hello, then your username. So my username in Minecraft is DarthSpanky1. So it will send a message to me saying hello DarthSpanky1. That's pretty much this right here. And then we want to return true to tell the code to stop running. To get the plugin running, you're going to have to right click your project, so hello world, and then go down to file and name plugin.yml. Okay, so in the plugin.yml, we need to tell the server where the main file is. So we'll do main, we'll put the package, so me.yourname.helloworld. This is pretty much the package, and then we'll put dot and then the class name, so main. That's pretty much just telling where is the main file at. Next, we want to put the name of the plugin. So we'll do hello world because that's the name of the plugin. Next, we want to do version. This is the version of the plugin. So we'll do 1.0 because this is the first version of the plugin. Next, we want to do description. This is what the description of the plugin. Hello world. We'll do that. Yeah, fine. Yeah. Next, we want to do the API version. This is pretty much what version the plugin was made for. So this was made for 1.14. Yours could be 1.13, 1.12, 1.11, 1.15, 1.16 maybe, and if you're in the future. Next we want to do skip a line and then go to put on commands. We want to do 2 spaces and then put the name of the command. So we did hello, I think. Yeah, we did hello. And then we want to do 2 more spaces and then put description. Like if you do like /help essentials, it will give you all the essentials commands. This is what it is for the hello world. If you do /help hello world, it will tell you the description of the command. So we'll do we'll just put the description of this command hello world because it's easiest. That's how you do the plugin.yml part. So we pretty much finished with the plugin now. So let's hop on to a server and see if this works. Actually, let me show you how to export this real fast. Right click on the project, go down to export, go to jar file. You want to open up the Java and then click on jar file. Next, you want to put a destination in it and then yeah, finish it. Alright, so let's get into a server and see if it works. Okay, so now that we're in the server, let's check if the plugin's on the server. So let's /pl. Alright, it is in the server, so let's check if it works. /hello. Hello.spanky. So I put hello and then I added player.getName. So that give it .spanky. So also that what that plugin.yml thing with the description of the command, if we did /help, it would give the help of the plugins. So if we did /help HelloWorld, it would show the description of the command /hello. Anyways, guys, thank you guys for watching. I think I will make an episode 2 of this. Probably getting into more depth of this, how to make a Spigot plugin. Like probably next video, I'm teach you guys how to make a config.yml where you could customize more things. Yeah. Um. So yeah, I'll make a part 2 sometime in the future. Um. Leave a like to this video if you haven't. If you like this video and you want to see more of this series, and also subscribe if you haven't. Actually, I've seen like like only like 10% of my viewers are subscribed. So other 90% of you guys better subscribe right now. Anyways, guys, thank you for watching.